Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online Classes. Today I am continuing this coaching part for first year Organic Chemistry, the basic principles and techniques. Now, in the last class I discussed about the carbon tetravalence. After this, along with this, some hybridization also is there. Hybridization already you learn in chemical bonding chapter of first year, but here important to identify the shapes and what do you call it? Angles also sometimes it is required, but angle is not that much important in between the bonds, but hybridization is very important for organic molecule. Shape of the molecule we have to identify. So before going to discuss this hybridization, I will give the shortcut. I am not discussing about the theory, how to decide this hybridization according to your chemical bond. That I am not discussing here. That discussing in there is theory part. Concrete part we know that if the molecule is real, how to identify that molecule have that atoms are in which type of hybridization. That I want to discuss. Okay. So any atom generally with single bond, consider the dang shortcut then how to apply. Single bond is there means that is sp3. Around this bond, all are single bond is there. For every one atom is there around that, all are single bond is there. All are single bond is there. sp3. Around the any atom, if double bond, at least one double bond, at least one double bond. What do you call it is? sp2. Already taught maybe in the earlier ketone chapter. Once again. Next, if triple bond is there, at least one triple bond around that atom, that is called sp. Then both sides of that carbon, any that generally you are taking carbon with organic chemistry, then it is called again sp. If you feel this difficult, one more I will give. This is also one shortcut. Another shortcut. What do you call? Type of atom or group and number of electrons. Another is number of groups. These are the three columns. Single bond is one type, covalent bond. One bond with how many electrons? 2 electrons. This is considered as a one group. Considered as a one group. Double bond. This is how many? Double bond is there. How many electrons? One bond with two. Two bonds are there. Total 4 electrons. Then this is also considered as a one group. If triple bond, that is also considered as a one group. But how many electrons? 6 electrons. Lone pair, LP. What do you call this? Lone pair. This is how many electrons? 2 electrons. That is also considered as one group. Then what is the trick is there here? Now take any one molecule. Methane is there. CH4. CH4 means how to write this is H, 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 H. If you follow this shortcut, around that all are single bond means what is the hybridization? sp3. For this shortcut is number of group. If I forgot here to write, if number of groups 2 and here hybridization H consider this hybridization. 2 groups are there, that is sp. 3 groups are there, sp2. 4 groups are there, what do you call? sp3. Around this how many groups are atoms are there? 4. Then again what you will get here? sp3. Now take the acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. Actually they like this even considered. Now this carbon hybridization if you want to find, then if you follow this one, around this at least one double bond is there, what do you call? So this carbon is known as sp2. sp2. Follow this trick. If 2 groups are there sp, 3 groups are sp2, 4 are there sp3. 1 because single bond is considered as which one? One group. Next double bond also considered as what is that? Double bond also considered as one group. Next one single bond also considered as one group. Total how many groups are there? 3 groups are there. 3 groups means what is that? sp. which is easy for you that you can choose. This is not I am taking separate tricks. These are already present in your textbook, but simplest form representation this is. Clear this is? Now any one molecule you can take now. Now HCl like this given. In that carbon hybridization. Yes, P. Because you should know that how to write the Lewis structure. How to write the Lewis structure? H, C, triple bond, N. Around this, how many groups are there? Two groups are there. Because triple bond means one group. If you follow this one, two group. Then two group means sp. If you follow this one, now CH3, C double bond, 1, 1, 2. Then here H, then here double bond, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then here H, here C. Like this one compound here. Then find out the each carbon hybridization. Each carbon. Then what is the hybridization of this? sp3. What is the hybridization is? Which one you are following? First or second one? First one. Whatever easy for you, that you can follow. There is no problem because we will get answer same. So now this is what is that? sp2. This is sp. If you follow also this one, then double bond is considered 1. Then this is 1. This is 1. Two groups are there. Two groups means what you call this is sp hybridization. Anyway, if it is like this also sp hybridization. Then this is sp2. This is sp3. Like this, any molecules are given, you have to find out the hybridization. This is now open chain again. If it is cyclic, may be given. Then what is the hybridization? Now you know benzene. What is the benzene? Ring may be given. Then some student may think that their double bond not appearing. Ring is there, no? But actually it is represented in which form? Like this. Double bond, double bond, double bond. Each carbon, what is the hybridization? sp2. Because this carbon also double bond is at least one double bond is there, what do you call it? sp2. Double bond is a double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond. Every carbon having one double bond means it is called sp2 having sp2, 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 sp2. Now go for the bond line notation. This is bond line notation. Here double bond is there. Here triple bond is there. Next here double bond O is there. Here OH is there. Like this may be given. Now find out the each carbon hybridization. Each carbon hybridization. What is the hybridization of this carbon? sp2. What is the hybridization of this one? sp2. What is the hybridization? sp3. sp2. sp3. 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 Then how many carbons are there in this line now? Other than this, how many are there? 3 are there. Then here sp. Here so now you right. If like this any molecules are given, by using this shortcut you can easily identify this hybridization. Now I will give the best example which is already asked in the IIT means option E. Find out the hybridization of the following all A, B, C, D. Each atom, here heteroatom also I am giving here. Before that all carbon only you found. Now each atom, each carbon atom is different, each atom is different. With oxygen also you have to find out the hybridization. Next B. C. D. Come on. 4 molecules are given. In 4 molecules, all atoms hybridization you have to find out, except the hydrogen. Hydrogen do not show the hybridization, so it is not participating. Okay. Now, other than hydrogen, you can tell the hybridization. Come on. Here, this carbon, sp3. This carbon, Now, sp 3 or 2? How? Where? All single bonds are present. What do you call? Around the atom, all are single bonds present. What do you call? sp3. Then sp3 are present. Otherwise, if you follow this one, you know that oxygen valency 2 along with the 2 lone pair present. That I not represented, but you have to know that. Always they may not be represented. Then you should know that. If you follow this or this, single bond is the sp3. If you follow that, lone pair also considers as one group. Then how many groups are there? One group, second group, third group, fourth group. 4 groups are present in what is that? Yes. Then both should be satisfied. Okay? Then this is also sp3. Then you will easily answer this. All these are sp3. This one? sp2. How? Double bond is there? Yeah. Single. All single bond is what you call? Single bond is what you call? sp3. Otherwise, nitron valence how much? 3. Along with one lone pair present? Then lone pair. Now, how many groups are there? 4. 4 means what you call? Don't confuse now. Concept is remain same. But some exceptions are there. That exception I given one more here example. Now, tell each atom. sp2, 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 sp2. This one? How? You are forgetting concepts. Carbon valence how much? 4. Nitron valence? 1, 2, 3 is there. One lone pair is there or not? Is there. Around that atom, at least one double bond is there? sp. See? One double bond is there? Otherwise, if you are confused with this, that's why this is also a given. Then this is one group, second group, one lone pair is there, is third group. Lone pair generally not represented, but you have to know that what is the valency of that atom, how much lone pair, how many unpaired. So 3 is in what you call? 3 is in sp2. 3 is sp2 only. Don't confuse. Now you will get here answer that. This is called, what is the name? You may be heard. This is in classification of organic compound. Some heterocyclic compounds are given in your textbook. This is called pyrrole, this is pyridine. Remember this? This pyridine. This is called pyrrole or pyrrole, somewhere different types. Come on. Tell each atom hybridization. This is. Generally you will feel like this, but this is not sp3. Then you may be tell that same asking the question, sir, you only told that single bond is at sp3. Otherwise, if you follow this one, sp3, you will get here according to this set of rules. But you should know in first year aromaticity. You know that aromaticity? Aromaticity means what is that? Forget concept. Molecule should be cyclic, and another one that should be in conjugation, and that should be follow 4n+2 pi electron rule. So actually it is aromatic. When it is aromatic, there should be planar molecule. Conjugated and there should be planar. If it is sp3 hybridization means what is it? Tetrahedral. Tetrahedral is not planar structure. Tetrahedral is not planar structure. This is plane, in the plane. Now it is there, now consider this is plane. On this, which is placing, these two fingers are placing. This is outward, otherwise like this inward. So out of plane this is. What the point? So if it is there like this, then its planarity missing. So already it is aromatic. Due to this aromatic, it should be in the planar. It should be planar means it should contain which hybridization? sp2. Because sp2 means what is the shape of the molecule? Trigonal planar. sp3 means what is the shape of the molecule? Tetrahedral. Tetrahedral is not planar. Got the point? So this is the exception part. Clear this? According to this shortcut, we will get this SP3, but not SP3. These are the competitive exam question for NEET or JEE Mains. CET level, these things will not ask. Rare, if they ask also, will not appear like this will ask. So immediately one more example I will give here. E example is EF. Now I am placing loan pair also for your understanding. Come on, tell. If you want to answer this, you should know that these are aromatic or not. Because this condition is, I explained, this is aromatic. That's why this nitrogen is which one? sp2. Reason what is that? Aromatic. Then to explain these two also you should know these are aromatic or not. Then only we will answer. If aromatic, then these are sp2 hydrogen, oxygen and sulfur. If not, then whatever we are getting according to this, that is the answer. So these two are aromatic only. When you will know this in aromatic topic, that is benzene chapter when you are discussing, that you will know that. Now don't feel some we don't know the aromatic topic, then you are answering like this question. Okay, that's why I am giving one or two examples. Then again when I am discussing aromatic topic, that time you will know which are aromatic. Now you are not writing exam. You will write after the whole covering this first year and second. That time you will write. So that way you know every topic. Then you will answer this. So now these two are aromatic. Then these are sp2, sp2. So sp2, 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 sp2. This is also sp2. Look like it is sp3, but not. These are not aromatic. That's why here we answer sp3, we answer sp3. But these are aromatic. Therefore, these are sp2 every atom except hydrogen. Note that. Okay. Now, from this hybridization, what they will ask? One is like this molecule they will give, and they will ask the each one atom hybridization. The next one is in the hybridization sp, sp2, sp3, like this is there. In our organic, these three hybridations are involved more. sp3d, sp3d2 in inorganic emission more involved. Here not that much. So that I am discussing here. These three only I am discussing. Then what is the percentage of S character? Percentage of S character. Now in the class of boys and girls both are there. What is the percentage of girls in the class? Except me. Yeah. Now I am not included. Now your boys only, girls only can say. What is the percentage of girls? How to calculate? Numerator division. Girls are, boys are. Your marks percentage, how you are calculating? Obtained marks by total marks. Now percentage, which one I am asking? That one is numerator. Total is denominator. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is your girls percentage. Boys percentage is 3 by 5. Yes sir? That is fraction. Multiply with 100, that is percentage. So mathematical apply here. Mathematics is very important to, not organic is very less. But if you come to the physical chemistry, total mathematics you have to involve. So now here, yes, how much is there? 1 is there. Total how much is there? 2 is there. Into 100. 1 by 2 means what is it? 50%. So 50%. Our fraction is given that time, it is 0.5. Fraction given with fraction respect to rate. Percentage given, percentage respect to rate answer. So it depends upon the what type of question they are asking. So now in the sp2, tell what is the percentage of S character. Now I am asking the percentage of S characters. In exam they may ask the P character also. Then you have to subtract from the 100, then you will get P character. So apply the concepts. Now 1 by 3 into 100. Then how much? 33.3 or 4. Next, for this 1 by 4 into 100. Then how much is it? 25%? Then percentage of S character, what happened here? Decreasing or increasing? Decreasing. Percentage of S character decreasing. Okay? When percentage of S character, this is how much? 0.33, this is how much? 0.25 in the fractions. So percentage of S character decreases. Otherwise up increases. Then whatever given order according to you have to follow. Percentage of S character decreases means electronegativity also decreases. Note that electronegativity. Otherwise I will write here percentage of S character is directly proportional to electronegativity. More percentage of S character, more electronegativity. Next, percentage of S character is directly proportional to bond energy, inversely proportional to bond length. Important statement is that. Why? Percentage of S character mean what is that is? SP more SP S character increase with that is SP. SP mean what is it? Triple bond. Triple bond mean bond energy more. Even 3 bond breaking is difficult than the 2 bond than the 1 bond. Got the point? That's bond energy more. 3 bonds are there. Bond length less. One example we will consider here: carbon carbon single bond, carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon triple bond. This we have to remember the bond length also, because it is very important. Bond length of the carbon carbon bond 154 picometer. Otherwise angstrom how much? 1.54 angstrom. So we will tell here one unit. But in examination, now I give in picometer because in textbook they follow picometer. Got the point? If you observe the bond length and bond length in the chemical bonding chapter, or in every chapter you can consider, they are given in the picometer, not in angstrom. Old books are there, they give in angstrom. Now new books are all for picometer. Okay? So I give in picometer and also given according to old books. Now I give in the picometer. They may ask in the nanometer also. Another point, in micrometer also, you should convert that. You know, convert it mathematically, you convert it. So, sir only told we have to remember this one, and nanometer is not that is not the correct thing. Okay, you should know that conversion fact. Okay, now, then how to convert if it is nanometer? Tell what is the nanometer value? See, 1 nanometer is equal to how much? 10 power minus 7 centimeter, otherwise 10 power minus 9 meter. Clear? Then 154 picometer. 1 picometer equal how much? 10 power minus 12, 10 centimeter, otherwise 10 power minus 12 meter. If you want to convert it to meter, what we can write this is 154 10 power minus 9 is in meter into 10 power minus 3. Then what is the value? This will be considered as nanometers. 154 in nanometer, because this is nanometer. This is what is it here now? 10 power minus 3. What we can write? 0.154 nanometer. Like this, you have to convert this conversion. If they give nanometer, you can convert to picometer. That is your choice. What they are asking in the examination, that we have to follow. This is not very difficult. These are very simple methods. You know that. So now, this is 124, 134, I think this is picometer. This is 120 picometer. These values you have to remember compulsory, because they are directly asking these values. What is the carbon-carbon double bond length? Directly they will ask. So you have to remember. Bond energy is remembering somewhat difficult, but if you try to remember, okay, I cannot remember the value. It's not that much necessary. But if you want, you just go through that alkane chapter. In the alkane chapter, in the starting the structure of alkane, the ethane, somewhere they mention the bond energy. Go for alkene chapter, they mention this. Go for alkane chapter, this is mentioned. If not available, then you go for the chemical bonding chapter. One table is there. See single bond length, double bond length, triple bond length, their energy is there. If they are also not available, again go for thermodynamics chapter. In there also one table is there, because there also bond energy one calculation is there. Remember, delta H reaction is equal to bond length, bond energy of reactant minus bond energy of product. like one formula. So there also you have to calculate. So why I am discussing all this means you should don't forget these concepts where they present, because they can interconnect the chapter to chapter. Because how many questions are there now? 25 questions only in the JEE mains. So 25 questions they can convert into the one chapter to another chapter. So bond is a concept where it is present, you should know that. Then how they interlink, you have to understand. So this is next. Now I give the simplest one. If they ask like this, carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon double bond O, and another one for a two double bonds that's what given cancel. Then which is more bond energy? CC double bond or C double bond O? Now find out the hybridization. What is the hybridization of this one? sp2 sp2. What is it here? sp2 sp2. Both are same. But when hybridization is same, bond is also same is there. You are thinking percentage of base character is inversely proportional to bond length. But both having the sp2 hybridization, both having sp2 hybridization, we are thinking that there is no change in the bond length. When change in the bond length, change in the bond energy. But you observe that left to right, atom size what happened? Decrease. When atom size is decreased, we form a bond also smaller. Smaller bond to break require energy more. Now like this pen is considered easily break down. Actually not break down. This is polymer. But when length is it, we can easily break down. Now cap is it to break down. It is smaller, difficult. So for this energy liquid is more. For this energy liquid is less. We are not following the data what is given in the textbook, but by our common sense we are answering. Left to right atom size decrease, it means left side of the period, bigger size, right side of the period, in smaller size, smaller bond, larger size, larger bond. Say consider now fluorine bond is there, chlorine bond is there, bromine bond is there, and iodine bond is there. All are same two element, all are having a single bond only. But which is the larger bond? Iodine, because iodine is the larger size. When larger size, what is the bond length? It is a half of the internuclear distance between the two atoms. That is called radius. But bond length, what is it? The diameter type total consider. So when size is bigger, the diameter also bigger. Okay, length is increased. Therefore, bond length also increased. So what I am telling here, if any bond length or bond energy respective questions are given, then immediately in your mind all thoughts should become at a time. Then only you will answer. PU, what is that? Question to answer. That is easy. There is no thoughts required for that. Okay. Now, bond length. Now the question is, we will go for this question. This is also important. In benzene, here double bond is the double bond. How much? 134. Single bond 154 pico. Double bond 134. Single bond 154. Double bond 134. Single bond 154. But they are asking the question in benzene, what is the bond length of all bonds? It is generally same here. So what is the carbon-carbon bond length they are asking? What is the carbon-carbon bond? They have not mentioned double bond, they have not mentioned single bond. They are asking what is the carbon-carbon bond length in benzene. Now option A is 154 picometer, option B 134 picometer, option C A and B, option D 129 picometer. Come on, your answer. Known concepts A and B. You will answer, but that is wrong. Okay? Why I am not mentioned this is first mean? You will answer directly that one. First you should know what is our mistakes, then you have to go for our correction. That's why I am first making the first wrong only, then correction. This is average bond between the 154 and 134. Why it is taken as average? Because it is delocalized by one. Not always here only.
It may be like this also, resonance structure. This pi bond comes to here.